Hey everyone, Ian here from Dakota Timber Company. I'm going to show you guys how to install a bracket and a mantle when you guys order from Dakota Timber Company. So you should get your mantle that you ordered and picked out off the website, and if you guys added a bracket, it'll be already inside the mantle at the back. So make sure when you unwrap it, it'll be there. We're also going to give you 2 packs of screws, and then you'll have directions to do your install. And then at home, you're going to need a level stud finder, tape measure. You're going to need a square bit for the screws that we supply, and I like to use an 1/8 inch drill bit to pre-drill our holes. Alright, once you guys figure out where you want your mantle on your fireplace or the wall that you're going to be using, you're going to want to find your studs. So here, it's kind of a different situation as I got shiplap up on the wall, but if you have a sheetrock wall, you're just going to use your stud finder and try to find 2 or 3 studs in that area where you're going to mount your mantle bracket. Okay, so once we have our bracket level, we're just going to pin this here so we know where it's going to be. We'll get rid of that level and take our 1/8 inch drill bit, and I'm going to drill a couple pilot holes just so I know where to drill when we're ready to put the screws in. Okay, once we have our holes pre-drilled, we're going to go ahead and find those holes again, and then I'm using an impact here, so you kind of got to be a little careful by drilling in here to not have too much power. So I'm going to go right to there just till it starts to suck that bracket in. Once you get one side done, you can sneak over and tack up the other side. So that one's snugged up, and then we got a stud right in the middle, so we'll put another one here. And then go back and you can put one in the bottom by each stud again, and then you'll be totally secure. So once those are all in, now essentially you're ready to slide your mantle on. Alright, final step here. Obviously our bracket is installed strong and that mantle is not going to go anywhere. So essentially we're going to put this mantle on. Every mantle from Dakota Timber Company has holes drilled in it, and every mantle we have will slide onto the same mounting bracket. So essentially slide it on, and there you have your mantle and floating bracket from Dakota Timber Company.